So I want to give you a closer look on how to use these self-care cards. Now, each set is going to come with an intro card that's pretty much going to tell you how to use it and the different categories that's included. So there's 3 categories. First up, self-care, light talk, and of course, our journal prompt and meditation. Now, when you first get your deck, it's important that you shuffle. You kind of want to mix them up and take some time to even use that as a meditation as you're shuffling. So however you decide to shuffle though is completely up to you. I want you to follow your intuition. So whether that's shuffling 3 times or 7 times, do what feels good for you. As you shuffle, I want you to think about your intentions. I want you to repeat your affirmations. I want you to use this time to really pour into yourself before you're deciding to take that extra step and fulfill your self-care with these cards. Now, sometimes they jump out, and that's usually the one for you. So today, I will share a little self-care with myself.